Hello everyone, so if you want to change the navigation bar on your Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, you ought to open up your settings. Right here and now you ought to find your display tab. In your display tab, you ought to find your navigation bar. So tap here, and now you have a choice between swipe gestures and buttons. So choose the one you like. For example, I have swipe gestures on. For example, let's choose buttons, and voila, now we've got our buttons on here at the low tab. So I guess it's easy to use buttons. Let's go to the swipe gestures and let's leave it like this. So how to use them? Swipe up quickly to the top to go to the home screen, just like this. Now swipe from the left or right edge to go back, just like this. So for example, we're in our gallery. Swipe the edge, now we're going back, and to use the recent apps, simply swipe up and hold the finger, and you've got your recent apps opened. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.